Assalamu alaikum, Syed Nadeem Shirazi here. State is the functioning mechanism. State is the administrative structure. State is the power mechanism. State is the service delivery mechanism, which is done through government. And what the government is consisted of different institutions, legislature, executive, and judiciary, and certain ideologies actually provide guiding principle that how to govern, and regarding the governance, you can say the parts, how to make laws, how to implement them, how to adjudicate in the light of those laws. So there is a particular sovereign of that state, and regarding the sovereign, form of government to form of government, it varies. So we will discuss state at length in political science, and nothing more than that. State is priority. So join my new session, which is starting from 21st of Feb. Thank you very much at 8:30. Don't forget. Allah Hafiz.